Okay, so this is the lipstick that I bought. It is the Revlon. Don't mind my fingers, okay? It is the Revlon Midnight Mystery. I don't know if you can see it. And I've been looking for a black lipstick for a very long time. I bought it at Walmart and I can't wait to try it. So let's open it up. Oh my god. Whoa. Ooh. I can't wait to try this too. Okay, never mind, you're not a part of this. This is a black lipstick. I mean, it's hard to find black lipstick. Midnight Mystery. So let's try it. Okay, so I love this color. It goes well with my brown skin. Brown skin. Okay, so I definitely love this color. It's not that thick. It glides nicely on my lips. So, this is the Revlon Midnight Mystery. I like it. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe.